Good morning, everybody. It is Ramirez Trades, back with episode 8. Today, usual ES and NQ. So, big day yesterday. Over the pre-market plan right now. We got a couple different setups for these names. So, we did break all-time high pre-market, but we failed to hold it, which is a bearish sign. Short term, I assume it's going to go back up, but we're looking for either just a clean break above with a volume, momentum, and volatility, BBM. We'll play calls at the break of this, or we're looking for a dip down into 3-hour or 15-minute and then a bounce. So we can play calls off of it, targeting this all-time high. And if both of those don't work out, another possibility could be just a breakdown below both these demand zones, and I'll play puts below this to target this area down here, 4648. And that same concept applies for NQ. We did double top in supply right here, so we're either looking for a break down past these two demand zones to play puts into the next demand zone, or a bounce off of these two zones to break this supply zone, targeting next supply over. So that's the plan for today. I will see you guys at the open. Now, unless we're coming back, I may play calls off of this zone. That's a nasty pullback. I'm really looking for continuation to break this range, the opening range. But if we can't do that, well, we'll get out for a loss. My charts aren't. Oh my gosh. Okay, I was for sure that would stop me out. This is gonna stop me out for sure. I know this isn't updating right now, so I may have to stop the recording and do a recap again. Can it regain it? I don't think it's gonna regain that. It's already back at my break even, which is kind of weird. I bought in like up here, so that makes no sense at all. But I'm not gonna complain, right? It's in our favor. It's a nice move. If you can't break it right here, I am gonna get out. It's gotta get over the 9. I'm upping stop. In case it does fail, we're not losing as much. It's looking like it's really trying. Alright, it had one over. Keep pushing. Really, I'm just trying to get to this this VWAP here. Nothing too crazy. If we can get up there, I'll cut out one, let the other ride. But this trade is looking okay so far. If it has continuation, we're golden right now. Absolutely golden. Loving this candle. Really loving the candle. Oh shoot, my stop. Watch it just come down. That is unfortunate. Wow. Upping stop again. That is a really ugly looking candle. Wow. I was not expecting it to move like that, in all honesty. Hope I can go back and regain it. I was gonna get out one, and then it completely failed. But looks like we're taking a loss on this first trade. Unfortunate price action, but that happens, right? actually gonna put my stop loss a little lower just to give it some room. Or is it just gonna completely dump? That's what it looks like. Yep, there it goes. Can I do another big move up like I did before? Probably not. Hmm. And we're out, most likely. Yep, that was unfortunate. But not a big loss. We were up 50, so I would have loved to take profits up there. But it had such good momentum, I really thought it was going to keep going. You guys can see how quick it was moving. But we're down 18 on the day, nothing crazy. And we're going to keep looking for the next setup. Taking one, just a starter. If it gets back below 9, I am going to get out. It looks like it might do that. But we're going to wait. I want to see a bounce here. Bounce and continue up. Oh, sold right through. I'm out. That was a quick flush. Alright, we are down 31 on the day now. I am just going to wait for it to get up towards all-time high now. I don't want to be taking any more unnecessary trades. This is still look indecisive. Same with NQ. Alright, I got 390 puts loaded. They are decently out of the money. But, we did just break it. I'm going to be looking for movement down. I'm going to wait for it to go up a little. Buying in. Looking for a continuation down. I really would set my stop up here, but that is a really high stop. So I want this to work out right away. I don't want to see it hesitate or bounce up. Just want to see it roll over nice and clean. SPY is rolling over nicely. It's broken low of day. NQ is at low of day. But we're lacking momentum right now. That is the only red flag I see. It's a stubborn area. What is right there? It's kind of congruent with a previous day's sell-off 2 days ago. If we can get past, I'd say 16164, we should see some nice movement down. And then next up we'll be probably struggling at 16127. keeps going down then bouncing. Don't want to see a bounce here. As soon as SPY breaks out of its 3-hour zone, hopefully we'll see some good movement down, but if not, we are most likely to be getting out once SPY hits its 15-minute demand, because they will most likely bounce together. So that's the plan right now. Hoping this doesn't just bounce here, but this is not a good candle. Not a good looking candle. SPY had a nice spike up. I'm hoping it was just a false move and keeps going lower. It's trying to move up. Nice. Hopefully that momentum can keep up and bring us all the way down to 24. That's a very nice candle. I am more set on taking profits quickly, even though I should be focusing more on letting it ride out, but I am probably going to be cutting one out very soon. I don't want what happened this morning to repeat right now. So I'm going to wait for another strong push down. I'll get one out, let the other ride. I'll set it closer to break even, and we'll see what we can make. Again, I want to see another quick push down before I take one out. Just a quick push down. Just tagged low today and then immediately rejected. Hopefully we can go back down, give another go. We had nice red volume here. Hopefully this can build up right here as well. Keep going, nice. This is looking like a very nice trade, ladies and gentlemen. We are up 100 so far. I am going to sell one. 1.64, not bad. So we are green on the day, even if this does go back to break even. So, great place to be in right now. Even if this trade goes against us, we are making money. There is no way it's going to be a loser. We are up over 44% already. Shows the power of timing and just playing these equity options can be really beneficial for small accounts, as I said in the previous video. Hoping this doesn't bounce right here. SPY did break past its zone. It is doing a bounce, so I'm assuming it's gonna be short term. Just a momentary bounce and it come right back down. That's what I want to see, but if not, I'll get out if this gets back towards the 9 EMA. Hopefully it doesn't. I would love to see it roll all the way down to 1600s. That would be an amazing trade, but not sure if the momentum is going to push us all the way down there. We are starting to bounce now. I am going to stick to the plan. I would ideally like to lock in as much profit as I can, but I also don't want to cut it short in case it does want to roll over some more. That's my only thought process right now. A lot of patience involved when it comes to trading these zones. It's almost Christmas too. 9 days away. Hopefully you guys got something good planned. I have some family coming over personally, so it'll be nice to see them. It's been a while since I've seen them. I don't like these candles right here, in all honesty. SPY is really starting to move back up, but it keeps creating a. This is kind of a doji, so hopefully this comes down right here to create like a. Not even sure what it's called, not a morning star. I'm not too familiar with the names personally. I don't, starting to go back up. It's unfortunate. I was really hoping for some more moving down. SPY rejected off the 9, but it's still trying to break through it. NQ is kind of following. I am going to set a stop on this for right here. So we'll still make some money on it. It just won't be a lot. Unless this was just a temporary pullback for next like lower. That'd be great too. But it's not looking like it right now. If we can go back and break the low, we can definitely see some nice movement. We are a ways away from it though. So if we could have this nice push down, we should be golden. That other contract we made almost 50 bucks, made it 49, so not bad. We're trying to come back down. We can break the bottom of this candle and continue lower. That is very good sign. Bouncing, bouncing. Still in the area. Broke it, but are still hesitating. Nice. Stuck to the plan. We did not get out. And now we are being rewarded for that. So always stick to your plan. Even if it does mean you're going to be losing on some profits. It is much better long term for you to get in a good habit. Hopefully it continues lower. This is a ugly candle. I don't like that one. SPY bounced. Let me show you SPY. Pull us at a 3. Put this to the 1 minute. See, they're both breaking the zones right here. SPY did have a random bounce. So hopefully it was short-lived. I am getting rid of this if we get back above it though. They both showing relative weakness. That's why I do want to hold on to it. But if they come up, I am getting out. This could be a really nice trade for the account if it does continue lower. If not, we'll probably just be 50 bucks on the day or so. Because we did take that $31 loss with those 2 trades this morning. Nice move. That is a nice move. It's a very long trade. We opened the position at just about 8 o'clock, 7:58, so it's been a little over 10 minutes. Hopefully we could break this low. That'd be a great sign. SPY's still trying to move lower. Alright, it is trying to break previous candles low. It bounced off of it. See it right here. It's testing it again. And we broke it. NQ is now following. Very nice. The low of this candle is 96.5. We broke it. Alright. Hopefully it's just a move down now. Keeps having these bounces, so as long as we stick in trend, we are okay. You can see SPY keeps rejecting off the 9. It's a good sign. We really just need SPY to roll over. It's still chopping around in this area. If they can both begin moving lower together, we can see some momentum. We are getting close to the 9. You can see back up here, we only had about like 20 bucks on this. We are up 55 right now, even though it is getting near to the 9. So we are making more money as we keep riding this. Kind of like a trailing stop. It's a perfect example. Hopefully this is the next leg lower. SPY rejected off the 9. Well, it's trying to reject off of it. We are about to tag it, and I am out. We may reject and continue lower, but I'm just going to save as much as I can. So we made 57. Well, we made 70 on the trade. Sorry, we made 88 on the trade. But after we made up the previous losses on the previous 2 trades, we are up 57 on the day. So I am going to wait. I still have 500 in buying power, so we're going to wait for the next setup. This is just really slow moving. I probably should have set my stop at this previous high. That would have been a much smarter thing to do. But we'll see how it plays out. I am going to pause. Hey everybody, we are back. It is currently 10:30, and we're just going to go over what we did today. We are going to call it. There is not much else presenting itself. It did downtrend the entire day, so I missed out on a good chunk of the move. But it does highlight how strong same day or 1 day expiration contracts can be for equities. You can see I did only capture this bit of the move here. Got in at 758, sold one down here, and then sold the other a little over here, but the point is about 75 points on the NASDAQ, and that yielded almost 50% just with these 5 red candles. So if you're looking to grow an account, I think this is absolutely the best way to do so. But first trade we took was right here. Look for a quick push up. It did not happen. I was looking for a push up into supply. Obviously, it failed. It did not go up that high. It got shut down very quickly. We definitely lacked any momentum towards the upside. Any push up was immediately sold into by buyers. But that was first trade. Took a loss. Second trade, very nice trade. You guys already saw that one. I already kind of went over it. And then the other trade was on SPY. We've been looking for continuation higher on this move right here. After nice volume building and momentum too was coming in. Volume was building. We did get stopped out by a quick flush down. It did go in our favor for a little bit, but immediately did get rejected and it sold off. But pre-market plan worked out. We did capture a decent portion of this play. Sold off past these two. Plan was to sell at this area right here, 1600s. Obviously, we didn't get the whole thing, but we still did make good profits, right? It did end up coming up, so that is the reason I did get out. It was too much of a pullback, honestly. But I think that's gonna be all. Today we ended up with $57 in profit after 2 losses, 1 winner, and the account is now sitting at 1,086. So about 5% gain for today. But that is gonna be all. I will see you guys tomorrow for Friday's video, and have a good one.